Beautiful luxury, large one bedroom in Flushing. This is entrance, this is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. And there's a coat closet here. Beautiful kitchen. All stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. It comes with a dishwasher, microwave, windows in the kitchen. This could be the dining area. Fridge is here. It's the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. Another closet here. Bedroom got two closets. Another closet here. It's the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Shiny bathtub. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Close to the 7 train. And the apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.